Imagine waking up in a home where every space is carefully designed to balance comfort, efficiency, and a deep connection with nature. Japan is known for homes that often combine centuries-old traditions with modern innovations that make everyday life more comfortable. Unlike many homes around the world, Japanese homes are often designed to make the most of limited space without feeling crowded. Many homes are built with natural materials and simple designs that create a calm and relaxing atmosphere. Living in Japan also means adapting to unique challenges such as earthquakes, changing seasons, and busy urban environments. Because of these conditions, Japanese homes often include special features that improve safety, flexibility, and everyday convenience. From traditional tatami rooms to advanced technology, every part of the home reflects the way people live and adapt in Japan. In this video, we'll explore what your home might look like if you lived in Japan, and discover how design, culture, and daily life all come together under one roof. Japanese homes are shaped by a unique combination of geography, climate, culture, and limited living space, which has influenced home design for generations. Because Japan is a mountainous country, much of the population lives in relatively small urban areas where space is limited. Many Japanese homes are also designed with earthquakes in mind. Since Japan experiences frequent seismic activity throughout the year, another important factor is Japan's 4 distinct seasons, which bring changing temperatures, humidity, rain, and even snow in some regions. These changing conditions have encouraged homeowners to create living spaces that can adapt throughout the year. Cultural values also play a major role, with many homes emphasizing simplicity, functionality, cleanliness, and efficient use of space. As a result, Japanese homes often look very different from many Western homes in both layout and design philosophy. That is why Japanese homes are not simply built for shelter, but carefully designed to match the environment, culture, and everyday needs of the people who live in them. In many parts of Japan, living space can be limited, so homes are often designed to make every square meter as useful as possible. Instead of having large rooms dedicated to a single purpose, many spaces are designed to serve multiple functions throughout the day. Traditional Japanese homes often use flexible layouts that allow rooms to be adapted depending on the family's needs. Built-in storage is another important feature, helping keep everyday items organized without taking up valuable floor space. Many homes also use vertical storage solutions, making use of wall space instead of expanding outward. Natural light is often used strategically because bright, open spaces can make smaller homes feel much larger. This efficient approach reflects a minimalist philosophy where people focus on keeping only the things they truly need. That is why many Japanese homes feel surprisingly comfortable and functional even when the available space is relatively small. One of the most recognizable features of traditional Japanese homes is the washitsu, a room designed around simplicity, flexibility, and cultural tradition. These rooms are commonly covered with tatami mats, which are traditional floor mats made from woven natural materials. Tatami helps create a comfortable living environment and has been an important part of Japanese homes for centuries. Another key feature is the shochi, a lightweight sliding door that helps divide spaces without making rooms feel enclosed. Unlike solid walls, shochi doors allow light to spread throughout the home, creating a bright and open atmosphere. One reason traditional Japanese rooms remain popular is their flexibility, since a single room can serve many purposes. During the day, the room may be used for family activities, while at night it can become a sleeping space. That is why tatami rooms and shochi doors continue to represent an important part of Japanese home design, blending practicality with cultural tradition. One thing many people notice about Japanese homes is how clean, organized, and clutter-free they often appear. Even when space is limited, a major reason for this is that many homes include built-in storage areas designed to keep everyday items out of sight when they are not being used. In many households, almost everything has a designated place, making it easier to keep rooms tidy throughout the day. This focus on organization helps prevent clutter from building up, which is especially important in smaller living spaces. Many Japanese homes are also designed with simple layouts and materials that are easy to maintain and clean. The idea of keeping only what is necessary is closely connected to Japan's long-standing minimalist design philosophy. Daily habits also play an important role, as regular cleaning and organization are often part of everyday routines. That is why many Japanese homes feel calm and welcoming, with every space carefully arranged to support comfort, efficiency, and everyday living. One of the most unique parts of a Japanese home is the bathroom, which is designed very differently from what many people are used to in other countries. In many Japanese homes, the washing area and the bathtub are separated so that each part serves a different purpose. People usually wash and rinse themselves completely before entering the bathtub, helping keep the bathwater clean. The bathtub, often called an ofiro, is designed more for relaxation than for washing. Because the water remains clean, it can sometimes be used by multiple family members one after another. Japanese bathrooms are also designed to be highly efficient, making the most of the available space without sacrificing comfort. Cleanliness and hygiene are important priorities, which is why bathroom design focuses on easy maintenance and everyday use. That is why the Japanese bathroom is often seen as more than a functional space. It is also a place for comfort, relaxation, and daily well-being. Even in busy cities, many Japanese homes try to maintain a connection with nature through carefully designed gardens and outdoor spaces. Unlike large backyard gardens found in some countries, Japanese home gardens are often compact but designed with great attention to detail. Every feature is usually placed with purpose, creating a sense of balance, harmony, and visual beauty. Many homeowners also enjoy growing bonsai, which involves carefully shaping miniature trees over many years. Seasonal plants are another important part of Japanese gardens, allowing the outdoor space to change throughout the year. Many homes are designed so that indoor spaces can easily overlook the garden, helping bring nature into everyday life. This connection between indoor and outdoor spaces creates a feeling of calmness that is often associated with Japanese home design. That is why Japanese gardens are not simply decorative. They are designed to make nature a meaningful part of daily life at home. Japan experiences for distinct seasons, so homes are often designed to remain comfortable throughout changing weather conditions during the year. During summer, temperatures can become hot and humid, especially in many urban areas across the country. To improve comfort, homes often use natural ventilation by allowing air to flow through multiple openings. Japan also experiences a rainy season, so homes are built to manage frequent rainfall and moisture. In colder regions and during winter months, homeowners prepare their homes to stay warm and comfortable. Seasonal adjustments are often simple, such as changing household items, improving insulation, or adjusting ventilation. Many people also enjoy seasonal views from their homes, whether it is cherry blossoms in spring or colorful leaves in autumn. That is why Japanese homes are often designed with flexibility in mind, allowing people to comfortably adapt to each season as it arrives. One of the first things you would notice in a Japanese home is that shoes are usually removed at the entrance to help keep the living spaces clean and comfortable. After entering, many people change into indoor slippers, a simple habit that helps maintain cleanliness throughout different areas of the house. Daily cleaning is also a common routine, and many households spend time organizing, sweeping, and maintaining tidy living spaces every day. Respect for shared spaces is an important part of daily life, which encourages family members to keep rooms organized and avoid creating unnecessary clutter. These habits work together with the home's design, making even smaller living spaces feel calm, functional, and pleasant to spend time in. That is why daily life inside a Japanese home often feels organized and efficient, with small routines helping create a comfortable environment for everyone. While many Japanese homes preserve traditional design elements, they also make extensive use of modern technology to improve comfort, convenience, and efficiency. One of the most well-known examples is the high-tech Japanese toilet, which often includes features designed to improve comfort and hygiene. Many homes also use energy-efficient appliances that help reduce electricity consumption while supporting everyday household activities. Automated systems can assist with lighting, temperature control, security, and other functions that make daily life more convenient. Despite these innovations, many homeowners still value traditional design principles, creating a balance between modern convenience and cultural heritage. That combination of tradition and innovation is one of the reasons Japanese homes continue to attract attention from people around the world. Living in Japan means living in a home that carefully balances limited space, changing seasons, cultural traditions, and the practical needs of everyday life. From tatami rooms and peaceful gardens to organized interiors and modern technology, every feature is designed to make daily living more comfortable and efficient. That is what makes Japanese homes unique, a thoughtful blend of tradition, innovation, and design that continues to shape the way people live today.